If you've ever felt overwhelmed by notifications on Telegram, or maybe you're worried about missing an important update, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to mute or unmute chats, groups, and channels on Telegram, whether you're using Android or iPhone. By the end, you'll know how to take control over what alerts get your attention so you can stay focused on what really matters. Let's dive right in. The great thing is that Telegram gives you plenty of flexibility, and the process for muting or unmuting is nearly identical no matter what kind of conversation you're dealing with, whether it's a one-on-one chat, a lively group, or a busy channel. First up is the most direct approach, muting or unmuting right within the chat itself. So let's say you've got a chat that keeps popping up when you're trying to work, or perhaps a group conversation is blowing up while you're trying to get some sleep. Don't worry, here's how you can quickly silence those notifications. Just open the chat, group, or channel that you want to control. At the top of the screen, you'll see either the name or profile picture of the conversation. Tap on that. This takes you to the info page, which has all sorts of handy settings. Here, look for the notifications section, or sometimes it'll appear as a little bell icon. If you tap that, a menu pops up with different options. To mute, you'll see choices such as mute for 1 hour, 8 hours, 2 days, or sometimes disable to mute indefinitely. This is super helpful if you only want to quiet things for a short while, like muting that chat during a meeting and turning notifications back on afterwards. If you want complete silence, choose the indefinite option. And if the chat's already muted, the same area will show an unmute or enable choice. Just tap it and notifications resume as normal. But let's say you want to manage notifications even faster, and you don't want to open each chat individually. Telegram makes this super efficient with special gestures straight from your main chat list. On iPhone, you simply swipe left on the chat, group, or channel you have in mind. As you do this, look for the mute button. Sometimes it shows as a bell icon. One quick tap and boom, you've muted or unmuted that conversation. It's perfect for cleaning up your notification flow in seconds. On Android, it works a little bit differently but is just as easy. Instead of swiping, you tap and hold the specific chat, group, or channel until it's highlighted. Usually, you'll see a checkmark appear. Now look up to the top right corner for those 3 vertical dots. A lot of settings hide there. Tap the dots and from the menu that appears, select mute or unmute. It's really simple once you're used to it, and it takes just a couple of taps. Whenever you mute a chat or group, Telegram gives you a visual clue. A small bell icon with a slash will appear next to the conversation's name in your chat list. That way you'll always know at a glance which conversations are muted. Remember, muting doesn't block messages. You'll still be able to open the chat and catch up whenever you want. You just won't get the constant ping or vibration, which can make your day a whole lot calmer. So that's how you can take control of your Telegram notifications, whether you want a break from an active group or just need to make sure you don't miss anything important. These methods work great regardless of whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.